Alright guys, just want to show you a couple AAA flashlights that I got here for comparison. Top here is going to be a Fenix ld02 and ultratac A7. Very similar in length. You can see the ultratac has a higher button where the other one's more recessed on the Fenix. 6L just barely. The knurling on this ultratac I think has a more of a nicer, cooler look design. This thing's actually rated at 180 lumens. Costs, what was the cost on that? So let's take a peek here. $13. This Fenix here costs $20. And it's only 100 lumens. Not really sure if the ultratac probably doesn't really get 180. It could. I don't have a device to measure it, but benefit for the adult, we'll say it is 180. With the Fenix here, you can see like the pocket clip's going to be more towards the tilt cap. You can move it at a different spot, it looks like, if you want. Actually, no, it has a little bit of recess in there, so it does fit perfectly right there. The ultratac's going to be staying down more. That really matters for like carrying it wise. And with the Fenix, it goes medium, low, high. And with the ultratac, it actually goes high, low, and strobe. So if you want strobe, you gotta go for the ultratac. If you like 3 different brightness levels, the Fenix. And as for like the springs and everything, let me show you these here. I can't really get the tail cap off there. Actually, might just be permanent on that thing. You can see that's probably just like pressed in right there. Good quality material, as you can see. And the ultratac. Yeah, almost the same right there. Here you can at least see the spring. That comes off pretty easy. Just cheaper steel. I'm going to say they're pretty much similar in build quality. I do like the 3 modes in the Fenix. Can't even really show you what it looks like in there. Yeah, that I can't. Looks almost the same style spring though when I look at it. So basically almost the same flashlight. Never know it could even be made in the same factory. I do like how more bright that this ultratac is compared to this Fenix. Pocket clips really don't faze me too much. And I do like the look of this ultratac compared to the Fenix as well. So depending on what you want, if you want the 3 modes or the strobe option, depends on what, or if you even want to save money, the ultratac's about like $8 cheaper basically. If you have any questions, make sure you put them in the questions down below. And make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think I'm going to be selling these on Facebook here if you're interested. Thanks.